Dr. TSPR channel expresses solidarity with Indian Medical Association's one-day protest against attacks on doctors and their properties, etc. We pay homage to all those front warriors, doctors, nurses, ward boys, all the staff of hospitals, including sanitation staff, journalists who have been losing their precious lives, and also security, police, because health issue has become a law and order issue. We pay our humble homage to those departed souls and my heartfelt sympathies to all those families who lost their near and dear ones. My appeal to all citizens, doctors, the front warriors, journalists or police, sanitary officials, they are all human beings. They have their families. They are working under different circumstances. Kindly understand, if you have anything, there is a law. As per rule of law, you can approach against any doctor, anyone for that matter, journalist, security person, police or sanitation staff. But don't take law into your hands. Don't use physical abuse, force. Kindly understand. At the same time, my humble request to Indian Medical Association, we have lost Dr. K.K. Agarwal, who has been vaccinated twice. He has taken second dose also. Why did he die? And a senior cardiologist from Bihar, he died in Hyderabad. Why did he die? Likewise, so many other innocents are dying in the hospitals. Why? Why is that Indian Medical Association not demanding for postmortem or clear data? Why? You are a scientific body. Kindly understand that you need to approach the issue scientifically. At the same time, you have to understand, because of COVID-19, all 5-star hotels have been roped in, attached to corporate hospitals. For them, it has become easiest way to earn, because health is which is troubling people. Because of health, they are selling away their properties and they are enjoying. So Indian Medical Association has to put a full stop to commercial exploitation by corporate hospitals. Wonderful doctors are there. I salute them. You have to come out openly. Lives are being lost, property is being lost for a disease which doesn't have a cure. Why lakhs of rupees? This is the question. మందులేని రోగానికి లక్షల రూపాయలు ఎందుకు ఇన్ని ప్రాణాలు పోతున్నాయి? ఇండియన్ మెడికల్ అసోసియేషన్ డాక్టర్స్ బాధ్యత కాదా? అందు గురించి వారు ముందుకు రావాలా? అదేవిధంగా వారు ICMR కానీ WHO కానీ రోజుకొక స్టాండర్డ్ ప్రోటోకాల్, ట్రీట్మెంట్ ప్రోటోకాల్ కానీ వ్యాక్సినేషన్లో కొత్తవన్నీ చేస్తూ ఉన్నది. డేటా ఎక్కడ ఉంది? వ్యాక్సినేషన్ కానీ ఈ మందులన్నీ, ఆల్ దీస్ వ్యాక్సినేషన్స్ ఆర్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ డ్రగ్స్, దే ఆర్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ యూస్. వేర్ ఇస్ ది డేటా? Is there any proven data? Why does Indian Medical Association doesn't question? It is this body. If you question, they have to respond. So come to the rescue of common citizens, Indian Medical Association. I have my humblest appeal. There is Anandaya's Ayurveda Corona medicine. It has been validated. Andhra Pradesh High Court has allowed to dispense 4 types of medicines. Even it is still beating my intelligence why it is taking so much of time. Let us come together. For us as doctors, cure of the people is more important. Those who are diseased, the ease has to come back. రోగాల నుంచి ప్రజలను కాపాడడానికి మనం కలిసికట్టుగా ముందుకు పోదాం. Let us have a holistic approach. Every science has its own limits. We again humbly appeal, our Indian indigenous system is there. When all those are for emergency use, there is no data under clinical trials. When such is the case, a harmless plant extracted Anandaya Ayurveda medicine, why it should not be? Kindly understand. I humbly appeal to IMA. Without consent form, does any hospital administer medicines or does surgery? So consent form, why are we asking? So understand, the same consent form can be had for even Anandaya's Ayurveda Corona medicine. Kindly think, let us have an holistic approach, let us save precious lives. Again, I appeal to the people that doctors are considered to be demigods next to gods. If you have anything, go as per rule of law. Kindly don't use force. They are also human beings, they have families. Thank you, take care. This is Dr. Tangella Shiva Prasad Reddy alias Dr. TSPR. Bye.